gotta get rid of them wasps. He also hit himself in the face. If anyone's gonna get a virus, it's gonna be here.
I need to use my fingers now.
Oh my god.
No.
So we had somebody in town ask about our Isuzu that we've had sitting out in the driveway for like a couple of years. We haven't done anything with the Isuzu because it's not running. There's a lot of things wrong with it. And we plan on just getting rid of it. But we had put brand new tires on it when it like messed up on us, and we wanted to at least like get money back for the tires, but we weren't actively like trying to get rid of it. But somebody in town saw it in our driveway and asked about it, and we told them, you know, we'd like to get the cost back for the tires. Other than that, like, take it, you know? So we started clearing it out. Bill was out there taking some stuff out of it because we had used it for just like storing things in. And while he was out there cleaning it out, he got stung by a wasp. And there's like a bunch of wasps in that vehicle. So we gotta get rid of them wasps first before we can sell this thing. And we've gotta get it to start somehow to be able to see the mileage. Ooh. Carrots. An update on the water situation. Guy came back, checked the meter again. It's still showing a normal range of usage. And he did mention that he saw again that weird number, that like 90,000, or I think that's what it was, like 99,000 gallons used or something like that. And he said it's a combination of like a weird glare on the screen when he was reading it, and that's why he kept getting that reading, that he just was looking at it weird, and that he took a picture so he'll show me what he means, and that's why he had made the mistake with the 99,000 gallons or whatever. So it's looking like that was a mistake on his part. He just like looked at it wrong. So at least in the last few days there hasn't been a crazy jump in the usage. It's been pretty normal. So there's a good chance that it is the toilet. But it still blows my mind that the toilet could be leaking that much water to where we used like 40,000 gallons in a month. That's crazy that a toilet leaks that much. But anyway, so yeah, Bill got stung by a wasp. He's never been stung before, so this was like a first for him. And then he also hit himself in the face with a piece of string trimmer and like cut his lip. He's a mess today, let me tell you. We're also gonna go get some fireworks today to like have some fun tomorrow. Anyway, it's really hot. Around the 4th of July is when it is pretty hot, so I expected this. Should have like held it in your hand while you open the door, and then, but whatever.
That was the most nerve-wracking experience I've ever had in my life. It was awful.
The amount of people I saw that did not have masks. If anyone's gonna get a virus, it's gonna be here.
Obviously, it's a fireworks store 2 days before the 4th of July,
yeah.
And I'm an idiot.
No, baby, we did two. We gotta save them for tomorrow so other people can see them too.
Yeah.
Good.
Yummy. How do you get some more?
Give Mama some hugs.
Yeah.
Come on upstairs.
I love you.
This is so yummy.
Good night, baby.
Good night.
Tennyson, no. No. Dang, push past me. Run in that house. Cook that meat.
Cut that string. Focaccia from Joey B. Giordano down the road.
Bill, I need one like that, don't you think?
Ben?
Scared me.
I thought you were trying to kill yourself.
Oh man, all the goo got out. Get that stuff in there.
Mom!
Don't you waste that goo. It's the whole thing, man. Yeah.
Oh my God, that one was beautiful. It's not scary, it's beautiful.
It was coming at you.
There's more. We're just surrounded by them. Ooh.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
And the big ones almost just killed me.
Buddy, they did not almost kill you.
What is with that thing not being able to get off the ground? Come on. That sucks.